Hello, my name is Dexter Williams, and I'm a workplace health and safety leader. I support key stakeholders by developing, executing, and enforcing health and safety plans in the workplace according to legal guidelines. My 8 years career in health and safety is supported by my Bachelor of Science degree in mechanical engineering and various OSHA certifications. I have led health and safety programs in various industries such as nuclear power plants, the cruise line industry, warehousing, and electric vehicle battery manufacturing. I love the human interaction involved with working with all stakeholders within a company to make the workplace a healthy and safe environment. My main goal is to help employees leave work in the same condition that they were in when they arrived. The purpose of this course is to teach you the basics to safely and efficiently inspect, load, operate, and unload a forklift. In the first section, we will cover the course objectives, learn about powered industrial trucks, also referred to as PITs, what they are, and the common types. In the next section, we will learn how to inspect the forklift to make sure that it is safe to operate. We will also talk about the general safety rules for forklift usage. Let's dig deeper in the final section. We will discuss how to safely control a load on a forklift and learn some basic operation rules. Lastly, we will put it all together and summarize the learnings. But be sure to stay tuned into the training because you will have some fun activities along the way. And let's have some fun.